So, just picture it. Just picture it. You start growing a beard, and after a month you've got some good growth, but it's not quite what you need. But you might not be living a really nice lifestyle. You might, not as in like you're rich or you're poor or anything like that, but just in the sense that you might not be looking after yourself as well as you could be. And it kind of all starts there. You need to start looking after your body, your skin, your hair, your beard. So let's delve into that a little bit more now. So the first part of letting your beard hair grow well is actually taking in a lot of water. Water really helps with all bodily functions, as you're probably aware. You're probably aware that you don't drink anywhere near enough water. And a great little tip here is just to actually start each and every day off by downing a pint or half a glass of water, just to kick start everything. And that kind of incentivizes you to have a couple more glasses throughout the day. Drinking plenty of water really nourishes the skin, hydrates the body, lets it function properly, promotes growth of hair, skin cells, pretty much runs your body. If you're not going to drink water, you're going to die. But drink more water and you'll notice that this beard, your hair, your skin looks a lot better. You'll get a bit more of a glow about you. It's just a far better thing to do. Now, exercise. I'm talking about that focused exercise, lifting weights, doing high resistance training, doing HIIT workouts, doing things that are going to release testosterone, because testosterone is what you need to grow a beard. We kind of covered this last week. You need testosterone and DHT, which is testosterone, because I've forgotten what it is. Yeah, let's just call it DHT for now, because that ain't coming back into my mind right now. But you get it. You need to release testosterone. So a great way to do that is to exercise. In addition to that though, you also need to get a good amount of sleep. Sleep lets the body heal. You want to make sure you're getting a good amount of REM sleep. You can't really impact the amount of REM sleep you get. Your body is just going to do it. But what you can do is dictate the circumstances around it. So going to bed when you're tired, waking up when you're ready to wake up, making sure your mattress is good, that you're comfortable in bed. Nothing's really gonna put you off your sleep, that it's not too noisy. Make sure you have no obstacles to a good night's sleep. We're almost halfway through the year. I think in a couple of weeks time, in 2 weeks time, we're halfway through the year, and it's been a good little beard growing journey so far. And I hope to see you guys very soon. It'd mean the world to me if you hit the subscribe button. Until then, goodbye.